I am Dr. Sudha Sarna, Professor and Head of the Department Palliative Medicine. Here I am to show something about what's the basic of palliative care. So what is a palliative care? Palliative care is to relieve or lessen without curing. Approach that improve quality of life for patients and families facing problems associated with life-threatening illnesses through prevention and relief of suffering by means of early identification and assessment and treatment of pain and other problems, which may be physical, psychological and spiritual. So what's actually this care? It is giving life to the days of the patients who are there in their end stage of life. So it is end of life care which is very crucial for the patient. What you can also understand this by the word itself. P stands for practitioner, A is advisor, and we are like relative to the patients. We are legal consultant, innovator, advocator, trainer, informant, vigorous supporter, ethical caregiver, creative, active and reliable and very empathetic to the patient. So what are the goals of the palliative care? These are to decrease pain of the patient, to eliminate or reduce the discomfort so that we can improve their quality of life and we can improve their mood and decrease their fatigue. It's not the only patient that suffers during these illnesses, it's the also family that suffers. So for family, we have to help family members also, and we have to make them understand the choices available for the care. So we have to improve everyday life of patients and allows for valuable support system so that patient can sustain for rest of his life. So what are the components of the palliative care? This comprises of three components. Number one is pain management. Second, symptomatic management for the associated illnesses like nausea, weakness, bowel and bladder problems, mental confusion, fatigue and difficulty in breathing. Emotional and spiritual support also makes an important element, and this is important for both the patient and family. So these are the components of the palliative care. We have individualized patient care, we have to support their family, and it's basically a multidisciplinary teamwork, and we have to trust, we have to build the patient trust, and it's by providing safety to continuity and competence of care, and it also comprises of effective communication, and it allows one to open the conversation about the advanced care planning and prognosis. So pain is not only the physical component, it may be spiritual, cultural, psychological and social. So we have to take care of all the components, and this is the new concept of palliative care, which means active treatment and cure life prolonging intent till the death of the patient, so that he can lead a safe life till then. So it's under an umbrella of psychosocial and spiritual support. Initially we focus on the disease. Initially it is a disease focused care, then it increases to the comfort focused care till the patient death, and after the patient death there is a follow-up of the family also. So then we can provide them economical support, we can provide them social and psychological support also. So basically our aim is to improve the quality of life for patients who are facing serious illness as well as for their family and friends. That's all.